Hi everyone, in this tutorial you will learn how to check if a number is even or odd in Python language. In order to do that, I'm gonna get the input from a user. User is gonna type a number and that number is gonna be string, so I need to convert it to an integer and I need to save it in a variable. Let's call this variable number. Now, if we want to see if a number is even or odd, we need to use the modulus operator. We need to see the remainder of a division of number divided by 2, and if this division of our number by 2 is 0, that means that our number is even. I can format this string to look more informative by calling format function. I'm gonna format this number and it's gonna be shown in this text. And if the remainder is not 0, that means that our number is odd. So in that case, the answer is gonna be that our number is odd number. Okay, let's run this code. Let's enter a number, for example 11. 11 is odd number. Let's use another number, for example 32. 32 is even number. That's all in this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to check other videos on our channel. See you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.